Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miracle Luna. If it's your first time here, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, okay? Today I'll be teaching you how to apply eyeshadow. Please stay tuned. I'll be using my Eyeshadow Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Bisque, my angle brush, my blending brush, and of course my eyeshadow. So I'll be applying some concealer onto my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend everything in using my blending brush. After blending, I'm going to set my concealer with my face powder. You can use your setting powder. So I'm just using this shade as my transition shade. So I'm just like tapping the eyeshadow into my crease, and I'm starting from the outer corner of my eye to the inner corner. Yeah, just applying some more. If you don't want to tap like that, you can as well go in sweeping motion back and forth just like that. Yeah, the tapping method is if you want your eyeshadow to pop, if you want it to be intense. So I'll just go ahead and use this shade to smoke out my transition shade, just clean up the edges. I'll be going in circular motion and in sweeping motion. I'm just applying some concealer onto my eyelid, and I'm going to start making my cut crease. Yeah, I'm just tapping like that, following the line on my eyelid, that line. If you don't want to tap, you can as well drag your brush like that, and make sure your line is straight, make sure your curve is straight. I'm just blending out the concealer to avoid any breakage. So I'll go in with these two shades. Yeah, I'm just mixing them up. Just mix them up, and I'm just tapping the eyeshadow onto my eyelid. I'm not rubbing, because if I rub, it's going to break the concealer and it's going to spoil everything. So you just want to tap, apply some more, tap to keep the concealer in place. So to clean up the outer corner of my eye, I'm going to use my foundation, and I'm going to use my blending brush to clean up the foundation. Yeah guys, this is it. This is before the eyeshadow and after. And we have come to the end of this tutorial. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, if you've not subscribed, please do that. Alright, see you in my next video, and tell me what you think about this makeup in the comment section below. Alright, bye.